Welcome and Namaste. Dear friends, in today's video we will see famous and historical Bristol city from United Kingdom. Port, trade and industry made Bristol second important city of UK. We will see floating harbour and take a cruise for sightseeing. There are frequent fast trains between London and Bristol. It is about 1 hour and 15 minutes journey. You can go by road as well. Now we are at Bristol Temple Met station. Here are my colleagues Shruti, Arun and Challa. They are finding way to go to harbour. They're checking a map. After a short distance from station, you will get to see St. Mary's Redcliffe. It is an Anglican parish church. The church building was constructed in 12th century. The church is well known for its Gothic architecture. This is surrounding area of the church. Look at the carving, how beautiful it is. Now we are at Bristol Floating Harbour. Bristol's floating harbour is an example of one of the best river dam engineering. The harbour is the former natural tidal river Avon which passes through the Bristol city. The river tide used to rise and fall as much as 14 meters high twice a day. This was impacting adversely on a cargo trade of Bristol as ships used to be stranded in the mud in low tide. Therefore, in year 1809, tidal bypass was dug for 2 miles for the river to prevent the tide from going out permanently. That is how the water level remains constant and it is not affected by the tides on the river. Hence, this harbour is known as Floating Harbour. Now the cruise has started. Here is Parros Bridge. It was constructed in year 1999 and connects to the Bristol exhibition with Bristol tourist attractions. On the way you will see several old buildings which date from year 1880 and have listed building status. Here is Bristol's Industrial Museum. Now it is known as M Shed. Outside the museum you will see 4 electrically powered cargo cranes built in year 1951. In the museum, they have displayed Bristol's commendable work and invention in the areas of maritime, aviation, railway, car and bus manufacturing. Inside the cruise they served us snacks. The building with red brick and terracotta chimney was hydraulic engine house constructed in year 1888. It contains pumping machinery. There were a lot of ducks and swans. Now you can see more than 1,000-year-old Bristol's beautiful and historic cathedral. Today the cathedral boasts some of the most important medieval architectures in UK. This is warehouse. The number of warehouses were built around the harbour for storage and trade. Many survive today and some are being converted into apartment and blocks. Now we are at St. Peter Church in Castle Park. It was bombed during World War II and now preserved as memorial. Now we are at Millennium Square, which is a mall, and it is also home to BBC Big Screen. Here you will get to see a bronze statue of Bristol-born actor Cary Grant. This is a balloon which is made of mirrors. I'm standing in front of this balloon and I'm finding myself big fat woman. I'm amused to see myself in this manner. This is my 11th video on UK. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel Around the World Desi Pardesi and click on bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Stay tuned. See you soon. Yours Desi Pardesi.